Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve one very recent and popular Leetcode coding interview question 2586. Count the number of vowel strings in range. So another likable string related coding interview problem that we are going to go through today and understand this problem with some examples, and we are also going to implement our Java solution code. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving, Java programming and coding. So let's start. You are given zero indexed array of string words and two integers left and right. A string is called a vowel string if it starts with a vowel character and it ends with a vowel character, where vowel characters are A, E, I, O, U. Return the number of vowel strings, words I, where I belongs to the inclusive range of left to right. Right? So this is what the problem says. The constant says that the words dot length is between 1 to 1000. So maximum 1000 words will be there in that array. The words length will be between 1 to 10 inclusive. Words I will contain lowercase English letters. 0 is less than equal to left is less than equal to right is less than words dot length. Right. So let's take a look at first example over here. So left is 0, right is 2. It means that we are going to go through all these words, right? And we want to find out words that starts and end with a vowel, right? So for example, R. So R word is starting and ending with vowel, right? A is a vowel, E is also vowel. So we are going to count it basically, right? Okay, Amy is not actually ending with a vowel, right? So we cannot count this. U is a word that is actually starting and ending with a vowel, correct? U is a vowel, so we are also going to count it. So there are two words we found that are starting and ending with the vowel in this range, correct? So that's why you have to output 2, right? So let's take the second example over here. So this is the second example. Left is 1, right is 4. So 1 to 4 is this array basically, correct? So this is the range that we have to go through and find out all the words which are actually starting and ending with vowels. So A, E, O is actually a word which is starting and ending with a vowel, right? So as you can see, A and O. So this one we will count it. O also is starting and ending with a vowel, correct? Because A, E, I, O, U, right? So O is also another word. M, U is not the word. So we will not consider this. We will also not consider R2 is also will consider this also, right? Because A is a vowel and O also is a vowel, right? So there are three words we found, right? 1 2 3. So this is what you have to find and output how many count of number of vowel strings in this range, right? So this is what the problem says. So how can we solve this problem? So obviously they have given us a range, so we are only going to go through this range, which is just a for loop, right? Left is 1, right is 4, and then we will write a helper method, right? We'll write a helper method that will check if it is the given string is starting and ending with A, E, I, O, U, right? If it is starting with any of these 5 characters A, E, I, O, U, or it is ending with any of these 5 characters, then it is a vowel string, so we are going to count it, right? So this is just a simple logic we have to implement in Java. So this is how the code looks like. So we are implementing vowel strings method. Words array is given to us, left and right is also given to us, correct? This method returns int, so count is equal to 0 in the beginning, right? It is int. Now we are going to go through the words which are only within this range of left to right, right? So I is equal to left, I is less than equal to right, I plus plus, inclusive range, right? We will check if this word is a valid word, right, which is actually starting and ending with a vowel in that method. If it is a valid word, which means that it's actually starting and ending with a vowel character, then we are going to count it here, right? At the end we will just return the count, will give us the total count of the words that we found, right, which starts and ends with vowel. So I'll show you this is valid method, which is a very simple helper method here, right, that we have implemented. So private boolean method, right, so it returns boolean. A string s is given to us here. I mean we are going to pass a string s here, right? So We'll check the first character s.caret 0. We'll check the last character s.caret s.length -1. We'll give you the last character, right? So now we want to make sure that the first and last character should be a vowel character. So this is how you can make sure that it's a vowel character, right? First is equal to A, or first is equal to E, or first is equal to I, or first is equal to O, or first is equal to U, right? Any of these 5 characters. Same thing for the last also you will do, right? If this is true, right, so both first and last should start. So this is an AND condition, right? Then it's a valid word, so we'll count it. So this is how you can write and implement this Java code. So we just extracted this part as a separate method here, which is better than using a set, right? You can also add these characters into a set and check that set directly in this code, but I did not implement like that. This is a, I found it, you can just extract it here as a method, right, and just call that method from the main method here, right? So we are now going to test this code and make sure it gives us correct answers. For these test cases, so first one we are expecting 2 as the answer. Let's take a look. So we are getting 2 here, right, which is the correct answer. You can see here, right? For the second one we should be getting 3, and here we are getting 3, which is a correct answer. Submit this code to the Leetcode, make sure it gets accepted. As you can see, the code is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. It is 100% faster on the performance side and 100% faster on the memory usage, which is a very good and clean Java solution that I wanted to show you today to solve this coding problem. On Leetcode 2586, count the number of vowel strings in range. Another important coding problem, which is a very recent problem. So I'm going to add this Java code in my GitHub repository, give you the link of my repository so you can check it out. There are lots of other important programming solutions already implemented and available there for you. So go through all those solutions. It will help you learn more algorithms and data structures there. If you like the Java solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist we have created to help your interview rounds. It is called as Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled under one playlist for you there for you. Those problems are taken from previously asked questions by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Uber, Lyft many times in their past interviews. They are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through each and every problem, understand them thoroughly. If you go through all those problems and videos, you will going to learn a lot of data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, Java programming and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques, lots of new ways of problem solving. So do check out the solve coding problems. The name of the playlist is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems, to help your practicing purpose, we have created 3 other playlists for you here. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, CodeChef, Coder, Code Forces, CodeChef, Coder. Go to the playlist of this channel, you will find those playlists there. So you can practice more and another good coding problems there. If you like this Java solution today, how we have solved this string coding problem, count number of vowel strings in range, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from these videos. Click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. On this channel, you will find lots of solved coding problems which are very important from interview perspective. The important varieties includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are lots of important data structure questions also available for you here, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All are important problems. Make sure you go through them, understand them thoroughly. If you are fresher, junior level developer planning to take Java interviews, there are lots of Java related videos available on this channel for you. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them. Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries. where you may have to use different database concepts like inner join, outer join, aggregate operations, group by and having clauses, different where clause conditions, windowing and ranking functions. Everything is explained and demoed through videos so that you can understand those SQL programming questions. They are explained with database tables for your easier and complete understanding along with SQL queries. There are videos that discusses Unix questions as well here. For example, Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. All are here to help you in your interview preparation and learning process. If you like the videos on this channel, if they are helping your learning process, you are learning more techniques, more problem solving along with programming and coding, then please do leave your messages, your feedback, your comments below these videos. Your feedback, your messages, your comments are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos. So do leave your messages, tell us how the videos are useful and helpful for you. If you want us to create videos about any specific computer science, Java J2E or interview related topics, then please mention those topics as well in the comments section below these videos so that we can create those videos for you here. If you haven't already checked the playlist on this channel, check the playlist on this channel right away. There are lots of important problems solved that can help you learn more programming varieties which are important from interview perspective. For example, dynamic programming, BFS, DFS, sliding window algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm. Lots of important data structure problems also available here. Stacks, priority queues, everything is available. So go check out the playlist. It will help you learn lots of data structures and programming concepts. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.